Just to finish up, I thought I'd do a little cultural exchange between the Federation and the Gaeltacht. I don't know if you're familiar with that word. The Gaeltacht is places in Ireland that still speak Irish. So I'm from the Irish language station. So I translated a few key phrases from you guys, from your characters. So I have a page for everyone. So you on the top 3, and you on the bottom 3. And I'll read which is. They're just translation from Irish. So if we start with yourself, so fascinating.
That's great. Malachuk.
Very good.
Malachuk.
It's me.
He's the first 3.
I'm just interested in doing it as well.
So we've live long and prosper.
Shall fada fui washadik. Ditch.
Ditch. Very good.
Shall fada fui washadich.
That's illogical.
Tau shin mi loikul.
Very good.
Tashin miloikul.
And moving on to Kirk. Punch it.
Bhuail.
Bhuail. That was a hard one to get phonetically right. Engage.
Gluish.
Very good. And then your name, of course.
Seamus Tiberius O'Kirk.
Excellent. Brilliant. Guys, thanks again for your time today.
Tiberius O'Kirk.
You can hold on to them if you fancy, yeah?
Absolutely.
Brilliant.